What they do?
Eh?
What them do?
Me go lie down and get a little sleep, you understand? I don't remember me take my pill, but me lie down and me just left with something out there on the table. Then tell me say they don't want nothing. And I carry them go to the supermarket and buy what they want. I know them take me some and eat it.
What they eat for you?
Rotted. Chanel, your woman and Alex.
You know, you say Chanel fine man.
I lie.
And TT fine man.
Yeah, true. Guys, the bigger the stump on the triple. Yeah. What you have to say about that? What you have to say about that? TT fine man. Chanel fine man.
All the better for me.
You want to see that? But they have to see the outcome. But not like go, TT, honestly, TT I get disrespectful bad. I'm after.
Guys, we're gonna 2 rows. 2 rows, guys.
Guys, may I beg on you, make catch the speed now, please. May I beg on you, make catch the speed, my side.
Will. Hi, Erica.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, I'll connect. Will.
Chat, beg on the stump on the double, my side. Chat, double. Beg on the stump on the double, chat.
Guys, use up a triple, guys.
So, baby, thank you.
Use up a triple.
Thank you, baby. Make sure me give you a follow. Hold on then. Alright, pick up yourself for the rose, baby. Queen, me see you have a nice piece of badge. You can't beg you one money gun, miss? Yeah, man, me see you in the comment section right here, so. You follow me to follow you back. Beg your money gun now? And we are hashtag every second. I like me, I tell you, move on. Hey, move that run. Come here, you jogger, run. Take up your foot in your hand and run. But me know you're not left Chanel still, so. No, you're not left Chanel, so whenever I go, me I stress myself. But make TT go on, TT find a man, make TT go on. Me happy for her. Why are them for run from him? You don't know him? You don't know him? The woman that run left for you, man. Me, people in the comment section are tell me about you in a jagger. Run left, people them tell me about you in a fine man and Chanel fine man.
What do I tell us?
Yeah, man, me say I be things you are going with and a look man.
Me? No, sir. How man they come up here and look me? Can't tap woman for and look me. Go tell the truth. Me can't tap woman for and look me.
Real? Me not in the past that can do what you. Only can do what.
Later, yeah. Me I'll come on for that.
Yeah, later. How name so? Now who name so Terrace? Me no want know. Me not think me want know who name some love. From them no important. Nobody bring it to me. Watch out. When me get warning for? And what kind of app this, man? This app you come like one of the worst. They get warning for nothing at fucking tall. Oh, then take off, you know. Hey, them people are sick. So, well, on then. Big up yourself, Annie. So, where them people are coming on my chat for now? What problem? They like to know what problem. So, I don't feel like me I turn on my chat phone in one bag of chatting with me. No bag of chatting with you, man. I can't bother with it. 24/7 idea. I can't do it. God no. Hey, what's up, man? Thank you. What going? Every day people get up and dip on my name. Thank you, baby. That's some importance. Alright. Yeah, alright. I'm glad TT fine, man, so she can go do what she have to do. TT I get too disrespectful. Honestly. She not no manners. I can't deal with them people. Them are big people, but they don't know themselves. So I just lock in my room and stay by myself because I don't make nobody send up my pressure. So, I saw them say Jaga favor me. Yeah, we're supposed to go out, but it rain. We're supposed to meet up with Jabas. We're supposed to meet up with Jabas, but it rain hard up here, so I now go this sign on the rain. Ignore the negative. At that me I do that, say, see me lock up in my room there, so but Jaga and TT man can be friend. What can go so? What really can go so? If me fix my teeth, you fix your pussy? You fix your pussy? That me want know. Fucking out order. What you mean by stop it? Tell them what you mean by stop it? I am for stop it. I them for stop it. They not like when me distant. Add me. Big up yourself too. One and never two. Talk truth. Not turn on my chat for nobody going out bag of chatting with me. Hey, how was it for audio? No, I'm gonna stop the video on YouTube. I'm starting back the 1st of July. I go up on YouTube and come off of TikTok. 1st of July, I start back work on YouTube. My uncle go like come over here some more while when time I play like my games and stuff. All of my video them a drop over there. Yeah. Why better for me when me do my YouTube video them? Me not lie to you, my YouTube video them serve me better. Man. But you're so stressing and draining. Do both. But I have to work hard and buy the other phone. One next phone. More money. That's true. I say I can't believe say I carry the people them go road. I carry them go road. I say, whoa no want. I say pick up whoa no want. And I believe you me say to Ratty well, them pick up Remin noodle. Remin blood clot noodle them pick up, you know. I'ma get the gas, you know. I'ma get the kitchen, you know. I'ma say, alright, then make me buy a one food for go and bubble pan. Me Ratty, they come like say me a alien to Ratty. I go lock up in your store. And I go watch Hungry lick them from left, right, and center. I go teach them, say them for love cook. Watch and see. Me say, I go watch your worm. I go watch your worm dancing at them belly. Watch and see. Me say, hungry clap. Me say, me just go left the food out there. Them eat the food. Them eat the food to rotted wall without no hesitation. Them, watch me and them. Me say, watch. Oh, Remy noodle ain't go buy, no. Remins, you know. After me tell the girl them say, you know, what go on, baby, thank you. After me tell the girl them say, pick up these young ladies, me say, pick up something to eat. So we can cook. Nobody no look for me. Remins noodle or Reman noodle. Add me. Yeah, me soon want them a come. All you come out of my chat. You come like some big old ass handicap. You handicap all big idiot smaddy. How would I eat that, man? I somehow no grieve me, you know. I swear to God. Hey, come out of my chat, man, and move for yourself. I know what me I go do. Me I go in the car with Aki walk. And me and Aki walk just drive go somewhere go eat and full with belly and come back and wipe off from out. You don't say that what you do? No take it as no joke. Eh? Don't take it as no joke. Are you asking off your teeth, you say call name and you feel say I can't call nobody name? Or that you feel say I can't think straight. I could like me head twist. Hi baby, what? Me I go block you. You, I never laugh with you. Me I block you. And look on your page too. Look on your page. Even look right. Yeah, man, block you. I block you. Cook curry, chicken, back, and white rice. Jesus Christ. Nobody details it. Nobody no want no curry, chicken, and white rice, miss. You know how long me no see chicken back to by the way? No, chicken back still sell. A long time I no see chicken back. Me not lie to you. Me not cook nothing like girl at them I go cook. Me not cooking anything. Me not be that. Me not be no big mama in no kitchen for nobody. Me not do it. I get up and go cook. How they tell me say big girl like them they want man and can't cook? Eh? Big old woman like them they want man and no want go in a kitchen go cook. Them have to get up and go cook. Me not cooking anything. That me I tell you. What go on? Me there here man. Of course, me agree with myself. Me say me I go to the road and me I go look one food and me I buy the food and me I wipe off my lip. Watch and see me just a come so. After me do it, me just wipe my lip and come in and come sit down and look on them so. And that me I do. Then I want to cook. Everybody on that style. Everybody have a different story. Hold on, them. I supposed to that did one my moderator, you know. You know, say them time I'm supposed to did my moderator. My moderator named Anna. Well, Anna there. Anna you there. I me grow Alex, you know. I me grow all my two boy pitney them. You get me? Because them not have no father for grow them. Me not teach them for make no woman diss them. I me not tell them for disrespect woman. Me not know how Jagga answer still, you know. Jagga still like his father. It's just the truth. You see Jagga still like his daddy. Jagga father I like is a woman. Yo, the man change woman like when change his underpants. I saw Jagga father still. But me never agree with Jagga on deal with woman more while. And Jagga nice still, you know. Me feel like Jagga want a woman way. Not full like Chanel still. Yeah. Chanel nice, you know, but Chanel fi stand up on her 2 foot. You get me? Chanel have good quality. Jagga wild, yeah, man. I don't see true to blood clot. Me can never take up for him. Me did not try, but it not work. But Alex, TT slam doing on my pitney face. Like literally, she take time and get so freaking disrespectful. She can't disrespect me, youth, so. You mad? Alex a nice, quiet boy. Alex no trouble people. So I don't know how she feel like we go pick pan Alex. Of course. Where you say? Hey, where they say? Well, on the person, where you say? Planning. Me no care. Me not stop her from going. Me she want go, but she can't be so disrespectful. Of course, she have to apologize to him. She have to apologize to him. I mean, not joke with her. Like literally, me I put on my foot because yeah, Alex is very humble. Me literally me I put on my foot because Alex is not nobody who like to go around and disrespect people. Sometimes you can't even find Alex. Sometimes you can't find Alex. You understand me? So she not no right for disrespect him and slam doing her face. And that's so she go take time until she start disrespect you all away. Me no in that. Oh, me tell you some, don't do nothing fear, you know. Don't make she send you out, you know. Because me have no send out, you know. No, me no have no send out. So you try no best make she send you out and go do nothing. You see me? Wait, me no like, you see me like go to the rain? Me?
I think I came out everything.
Yeah, but me go look some, me I come.
We'll do something different.
Yeah, we can do something different. Me say, but Jabas this text me, so me I go look on him. Look what them do. Look, let me show you what them do. Let me show you what them do. Right? Me tell some TT I waste our time because TT is supposed to there online and hustle her look of money. People up there love her. TT I worry about man. TT mission more is about, she can't hear me, you know, me chat loud, you know, me no chat people in a whisper, you know, me chat loud. When me chat people, you hear from yonder, so you have to come back and say me they not chat you. TT mission is to look man. TT supposed to depend online and hustle look of money and I make her content them or something. No, TT no depend that. TT depend for lockdown and look man. TT depend man mission. You get me? I know TT not taking phone and come online or say making go try do something or whatever. TT depend man mission. So what TT I try to do, TT I try to find one man for spite Jagga. TT I try to find one man for spite Jagga. You get what me I try to say? So he said that she focus on making her money, make herself good, buy nice clothes, buy nice shoes, put in good hairstyle because I know right now them braid they want to come out. Right? No, you know depend that. You know depend that. TT depend a man mission. You understand me? You can't force people to do things where they don't want to do. That's basically it. Yeah. Boy. You matter about say. Cause she maybe a watch me, you know. You can't go and watch me instead. You watch me, go take your phone and go up on TikTok. And go make taps and rows, or you go do 2 local content or something. So let me tell you. Yesterday, she tell me say, she called Jagga. When Jagga dey about in business in Chanel, she a mad out. She called Jagga and tell Jagga say, Aki Walker look her. Tap up my screen. Who said that this while ago? And I mean. Yesterday. Listen to me now. And try your best not go say me saying. You try your best not call my name, say me say nothing to none of you, know. Because I don't mix up enough. You me tell you. And tells Jagga say Aki Walker look. No, I tell nobody no lie. No. If him ever go again, watch me and him.
Never, never. Now, man, she get up and go out by herself, man. She not have her foot.
Because Alex nice and Alex does, you know Alex stay already, Daniel. So,
Quiet.
no, nobody run for the year him quiet. That's rude. That's rude, bad, me I tell you. Guys, what me do? No, the beg on this, guys. Push up a score. Me not talk nothing more. Come. We're not this to guys. We're not focusing. We're not focus together. Focus together, chat. Come on, chat. Double tap, chat. What me lie about? Hey, you liar than me, you know, me and your sister lie and your brother lie. Or we are 2 sister lie. So look here.
One thing me I tell you, Annie.
Guys, we're gonna have money gun. Me not eat them, eat the food. But yeah, me show you the food or them eat the food. Daniel, me say me carry the penny them go to the supermarket. A whole of them, me say, wanna cook. Daniel, you don't know say them pick up. Tell me what them pick up. Me not tell you. Guess and tell me what them pick up in a supermarket.
You can mackerel and couple rice now.
That's a red king one here, king off in teeth and me ask him one question.
They say mackerel and rice.
Mackerel and rice, what?
What?
Ramin's Google. Ramin and Raman.
They put them out. Put them out to one day. Put them out to one day. Ramin!
Ramin Daniel. Look here, let me show you. Come here, my son-in-law, make a show you what.
What them going to eat later on? Ramin
Come, let me show you. Because you can get think a joke me and make.
But so everybody can be some. So we have the first triple, guys.
So me know, me buy one look of food for myself because I know me have to take my pill them. Daniel, when me wake up to blood now, the box clean. Let me show you where they go there. Eat the food when me asleep. I saw they look a bumble where they are wicked. Look here in a pot.
Come on, this one. Ramins and then nothing but water in it, away water.
Not even water in there. Then worse than the Chinese man to blood clot. Then get if you go down to China go live. You know if fuck them I do at Jamaica. At China then get if there.
A gas they have, man. They're full of gas. They're supposed to put down the place.
Watch out now. And this me wake up, cousin.
Yeah, you hear me now, Annie? Why you make sure say you get up and drink your tea morning time. Drink water a lot and eat on time. You hear me?
Yeah.
That's all. Take care of your health. Fuck the rest of them. Them alright. You guide them enough, you know. And see if they don't want to take your guidance, I feel them business. Tell me, I tell them. But chat about them, see me.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true, Daniel. Alanda, I wait, start mackerel. They have some mackerel. I don't know what they do, you know. I'll show you how I go shake them up. I go to the road and I go get something to eat. Yes, Daniel?
I say cucumber juice and lime and some soup me there look after failure.
Well, I mean, if you come over your yard, come stay. I'm not lying.
Well, if they get take care of it, in real life.
You're real, man. So, what Anna, I see Anna from morning.
Yeah, Anna at it for a man, so she avoided me.
Oh. I saw you come on. Guys, I'm going to catch it speech chat, please.
Guys, me not say no man. We have people over here. If you don't know what catch it. Because what you know? Me realize say, no top giveaway. Wanna top giveaway for?
Thank you, guys. Guys, we have a triple chat. Me I beg on some pan a triple here. That?
So who else are gonna make it sweet? Oh, guys, one, two.
I can't think straight. My hungry for true. What must be? You understand? My hungry. Me not think straight. Everybody got fast.
Rose chat. Go get
Chat. Me I
some.
beg on some pan a triple.
2 more Rose chat. Bumbleclad. No.
No, me don't want to start macro. Me just need to go get something really hungry now for true. Though.
Get some to eat. One now. No, you
I'm not chat fine, but everybody like them locked down from them area and everybody locked in. Body.
Alex, you deal with it. I get one.
Guys, they're gonna sump on the triple chat, triple.
Okay,
Guys, they're gonna sump on the triple. Don't make it run on my side. Come on, team. They're gonna sump on the triple. Guys, they're gonna sump on the triple. 3 good. Oh my God, thank you, baby. Come on, chat. They're gonna sump me. Use the triple. Slam the door in and face TT. You have to think about what you're doing.
Okay.
Apologize to Alex for slamming the door.
Double.
Alright?
Double chat.
Certain little things, don't do it. Apologize to the one another. We don't know what go down, but make sure say some apology. Run him say sorry, and you say sorry. Yeah, but that not say if Islam is doing it. Peace.
Guys, come in.
Light gone. Me hungry. You know, roll a hen. No, I'm serious. You roll a hen. The light gone. Me hungry. Hey, you know wicked to me still, you know? Hey.
Lightning, I lick your phone. Lightning that.
Daniela be a light up here. And the light gone.
Light soon come back when I sent you that. Light come back. No, yes.
Now this is your man. Akiwa gone. Was so weird. I don't understand. So Alex gone with Akiwa. Oh Jesus. Let me show you what going.
Hear me?